Hey friends, it's Sunday, September 18th. I'm making another video from our fishing trip yesterday on Saturday the 17th down to Lady Bird. But we did something a little different this time. We put in at Festival Beach boat ramp and fished back up toward Longhorn Dam. Tough day of fishing. That's any indication of how fishing is up there. I don't think we'll be going back. I tried a number of baits, some topwaters, whopper plopper, a little torpedo. Tried some of these big, huge Bass Pro Shop worms that were working down by Barton Creek. No offers. What I did catch my 4 fish on were these grande bass, the new stuff, the wigglers. It's a 6.5 inch looking stick bait with a little air tail on the end of it in the trophy hunter color. Using a 4/0 wide gap hook, Texas rigged, and a 1/8 ounce tungsten. So that's what I caught my 4 fish on, just working the bank all the way up toward the dam. This trip we added 2 new people to our group. It was really nice to have them out fishing with us, Chuck Lee and Chris Serta. The rest of the group, Wayne Wynn at Kayak Fisher 82. You can check his YouTube channel out. He's got some good stuff over there. Tim Stewart, Craig Strickland, and Darren Veal. Got 4 fish on camera. They were good fish. They were just hard to come by yesterday. My biggest was 21.5 inches and it weighed 4.4. I had an 18 inch that weighed 3 pounds even, a 17 inch and a 14 3/4, something like that. So, well, all that out of the way, let's go catch some fish. There's one.
Fish on.
"17 inches, 17.
That on that long ass worm?
No, it's on a grande bass, this little
You
wiggler.
didn't get any bites on that long worm?
No.
21 and a half. 21 and a half. £4, 4 ounces. 4 pounds, 4 ounces. Nice fish. $14 and a half. 14 and a half. $18 and a half. 18 and a half. 3 pounds. 3 pounds even.
Hey friends, that's the video for the weekend. Like I said, it was really nice to have our new friends fishing with us, Chuck Lee and Chris Serta. Hopefully they can join us again. We've got a trip planned next weekend to Decker. We'll be on the water at 5:30 in the morning trying some frogs. A good friend of ours, Blake Ashmore, just tore that place up this past Friday night. So looks like Decker's starting to heat up a little bit. So visit my friend Wang Wen's YouTube channel at Kayak Fisher 82. Looks like Craig Strickland's getting up and going with some of his video cameras, so watch for his videos as well. Give me a thumbs up on the video if you can, and until next time, let's go catch some fish.